Okay, guys, today we're going to make rice swallow. Okay, I have my rice already. Inside there, I poured it inside the blender. I've soaked this rice for about 2 hours or 3 hours ago. So this is a bit melted or somehow it's a bit soft. No, it's not as hard as it was before right now. So now I'm going to blend it. Okay, rice swallow. After that, after making it, it will look. If you have used the sebo, that's exactly how it looks. So I'm going to just plug this, and then and I hope you are seeing it, and then just blend. That is it. Hope you are seeing it. Okay, now we have blended our rice and see how blended it is. You see, it's well blended. Okay, so all you need to do right now is we're going to pour it, and the normal way we do our semo, we make our semo is how we're going to make this semo. I mean this rice swallow. So just follow me step by step. Let me. Are you seeing that? Okay. So you pour this inside the cup. You are ready. You can see it's always very fast in thickening. Okay. See, you can see it already. So, like I told you, it thickens very fast. Okay. Let me zoom in. Once you are done, see how thick it is. Then for me, I'm going to add more water to it. Okay, I'm going to add more water so that it will be done very well. I use the remaining. I will use water to rinse the remaining of the that is inside this. Then I'll just pour it like this and cover it. That's all. Okay, we should be careful so that it won't. The water wouldn't be much in it. Okay, so you can see this was able to be okay. I will just leave it and cover it for a little minute, for about 2-3 minutes. I will come back to it. So let's check our and see. So what we do now is to turn it. I see it. I see. Okay. See, this is how the outcome of the whole thing. I'm still going to see the way it is right now. This is the outcome. Okay. So with this now, we are good to go. We have covered it for about 2 minutes, and it boiled for about 2 minutes. Okay, I mean it cooked for about 2 minutes. Now we are good to go. All you need to do is to keep on turning it. Keep on turning it until the lumps, if you have some lumps on it, it would have smooth. That is just all. That is all that you need to make your swallow. You can see. So it's ready. It's ready, guys. So thank you for watching. We are going to give you another recipe next time. Ciao.